butter cups. Just one bite, you know he can't get enough. Hello, my loves. Hello, hello. And welcome back into my kitchen. Gabrielle Reyes here, aka One Great Vegan. And my loves, today we are cooking up something that is so perfect just in time for Valentine's Day. Or if you just need a little sweet treat for yourself, you know what I'm saying? Have a little moment of treat yourself. Y'all, we are gonna be creating these superfood peanut butter cups out of Cacao Bliss and creamy peanut butter. Let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, let's get throwing, and let's make these delicious desserts. Cacao Bliss, Cacao Bliss. They sent me over a bliss box, y'all, and it is very blissful indeed, because not only does it come with all of these fun trinkets and things to make the most epic drink in the world, it's got my Cacao Bliss up in here. This right here, my loves, this Cacao Bliss, this blessing of a blissful moment is what we're gonna be using today to create that outer coating that is just gonna be so irresistible. The first ingredient you're gonna need for this fabulous sweet treat is some coconut oil. I'm gonna be using some unfiltered coconut oil, and it's already gonna be melted down. I'm gonna add it into my pan and then add in my Cacao Bliss as well. So I'm gonna be using about 2 cups of my melted coconut oil into your pan. Coconut oil. The way you're gonna make the outer coating, actually, all you gotta do is just get your coconut oil and then you're gonna mix in your Cacao Bliss. I'm using about 1 cup in today's recipe. And then y'all, all you gotta do is add in a little bit of vanilla extract and then boom, ready to get going and glowing. This Cacao Bliss is fierce. It's got turmeric in it, y'all. It also has 4 superfoods. That's why these are superfood peanut butter cups, not just normal, regular chocolate cups. Y'all, this is Cacao Bliss superfood peanut butter cups. Ooh, let's add in 1 cup of our Cacao Bliss into our pan. Ooh, and I can smell that cinnamon and that salt in there as well. Ooh, I love it. Ooh, and I can also see the turmeric. There's a nice little bit of some yellow in there. Oh yes, 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 yes. What's fierce about the coconut oil is because it's coconut oil, it's gonna freeze up really quickly in your freezer or your refrigerator, whatever you are using, and it also will melt apart so you can get in at that peanut butter center in there. Now we're gonna add in some vanilla extract and then our chocolate coating will be ready to go. Nice, yes, sizzle, sizzle, baby, I hear you. And most importantly, I smell you. Ooh, and you smell fabulous. Whisk that chocolate coating up, whisk it up, hey! All right, I think she whisked up. Here we go, check it out. We have our Cacao Bliss coating. She's gonna be so delicious. And now I'm gonna add this into this container right here. That way it'll be a lot easier for us to pour that into our muffin tin. All right, my loves, check it out. I have some creamy, super creamy peanut butter right here. It's about 1 cup. I'm gonna add that into my bowl, and then next, all you gotta do is add in some maple syrup. Honestly, you can add in as much or as little as you like, whatever is to your preferred sweet moment. I'm gonna be adding in about 1/4 of a cup because your girl got a sweet tooth, okay? We have our maple syrup. Add that into your bowl, and it's gonna add that sweetness. Also make it easier for the peanut butter to maneuver and move within the peanut butter cup too, which I found that's really helpful, especially when you dig on in. When you bite in, you want it to kind of ooze on out. So let's mix these together. Oh yeah, she is delicious. I mean, I could just eat this by itself, add in a little bit of cinnamon for some apples, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, y'all, guess what? All of our ingredients are ready to get going into our muffin tin. The first thing you're gonna want to do is get that Cacao Bliss coating, and you're gonna pour it into your muffin tin, a nice thin layer on bottom. Pour the chocolate into the muffin tin. Pour the chocolate into the muffin tin to make your peanut butter cups. Get out some of your peanut butter. You're gonna dollop it out. I like to do this with my finger, just like that. You can add as much or as little of this peanut butter that you like. Y'all know I'm obsessed with peanut butter and chocolate. All right, so what I've found is the best way, if you wanna make sure that you have that nice smooth top on your superfood peanut butter cups, is make sure that you flatten out that peanut butter layer. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you wanna make sure that it's flat enough that it's not gonna like poke out at the top, because it's cute, but that's not exactly the vibe we're going for. We want a nice little smooth, you know, elegant moment on top. More of our chocolate onto our layers upon layers of deliciousness. Pour that chocolate on top until you can't see any more peanut butter. Just want to layer. Ooh, a nice thick layer of chocolate. I love it. All right, y'all. It is time to freeze our superfood peanut butter cups. And then after about 30 minutes, it's time to dig on in, my loves. Ooh, ding. Wow, look at that. We have waited 30 minutes for our beautiful superfood peanut butter cups to freeze on up, y'all. And then I added on a sprinkle of my big flaky sea salt, y'all. And it's time to dig on in. I'm gonna dig on in. I'm gonna have myself a bite of something that is right. Ooh. Look at that. Y'all, I didn't know it was gonna be like this. Y'all, this is a fierce dessert. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Cacao Bliss. God bless you and your deliciousness. Superfood peanut butter cups. Melt and mix, fill the tin up. Superfood peanut butter cups. Just one bite, you know you can't get enough. My loves, I had so much fun creating this quick, sweet treat with you all today. Y'all, be sure to check out Cacao Bliss. You can also get 15% off with the link right here down below in the comments. Y'all know where to go. Get yourself 15% off of a package of this delicious, wonderful elixir. Go to my website, onegreatvegan.com, and get yourself a copy of my musical cookbook, Colorful Home Cooking with Gabrielle Reyes. It has over 120 recipes in there, y'all, and over 60 songs and videos, y'all. It's everything your spirit and your soul needs. So while you're cooking these up, make sure to go to my cookbook, get yourself a copy, my love. And I will see you all next week. Don't forget at the end of the day to sing your song, do your dance, and speak your truth, my loves. Goodbye.